Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use support painting in Bambu Studio. So first of all, simply launch your Bambu Studio application and then import your model over here. Now in the left hand side, you are going to see the option of processes. So you need to simply just select the option of support here. So first of all, you need to select your object and then simply select the option of support. Over here you need to select the option of enable support and check this particular box. Now over here for manual support you can just simply scroll down and look for the option of type, and here you can just simply click on this drop down menu and select any of these types of support. So this is important because manual mode uses the areas that you paint to determine where supports should be generated. So let's have selected the option of tree support here. So after selecting it, you just have to then select your model and hover over to the top and click on the option of support painting. So over here, after selecting the option of support painting, this types of section is going to appear. So over here now what you need to do next is to simply choose the painting tool. For example, let's say I've chose this one, and then you need to mark the area where you want support. So let's say I want support over here, so I'm just going to simply mark it over here just like so. So you can just simply left click on it in order to paint the support and forces. You can right click to paint support blockers. You can use shift plus left click in order to erase the painting areas, and you can also adjust the brush size when you need more or less resize control with the help of this pen size option that is given over here. You can then use the fill option to quickly cover a connected surface instead of manually painting each and every section. So basically after doing so, you just have to simply just return, and if there is an overhang that needs support but Bambu Studio isn't detecting it, you can also paint that particular surface as an enforcer. If Bambu Studio is generating unnecessary supports somewhere, you can paint that area as a blocker instead, which is going to basically let you combine the automatic support generation with the manual control when it is needed. So once you are done with it, you just have to simply return over here. Then you need to click on the option of slice plate. Then when you are inside the preview tab, you can inspect the support structure. Just make sure that the area that you have painted have the support that you wanted, and that unnecessary supports aren't being generated. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.